Mistplay pays you for playing mobile games over time, while Solitaire Cash pays you for winning skill-based solitaire tournaments, where entry fees and performance decide your payout. By the end, you'll understand how each app actually generates rewards, what controls your earning potential in both systems, and which one tends to pay more depending on how you play. Mistplay works by giving you points for playing selected mobile games. You install a game from their list, play it, and earn rewards based on time spent and in-game activity. Your earnings depend on how many games are available and how long you keep playing them. Solitaire Cash works differently. You enter competitive solitaire matches using coins or entry fees, then play against other users. Your payout depends on your score compared to others in the same tournament, not just time played. Mistplay is more consistent because you never risk your balance. You just keep playing games and gradually build points. The limitation is that your earning speed depends heavily on available game offers and how long each game keeps giving rewards. Solitaire Cash has higher earning potential per match, but it comes with risk. If you lose a match, you lose your entry fee. That means your results can swing based on performance, not just activity. Mistplay is better for users who want steady, low-risk progress through casual gameplay. It's designed for long sessions across different games without financial pressure. Solitaire Cash is better for users who are confident in skill-based gameplay and are comfortable risking small amounts for the chance of higher payouts in single matches. Another key difference is consistency. Mistplay rewards build slowly but predictably as long as you keep playing. Solitaire Cash results can vary a lot depending on your win rate and match difficulty. Time investment also matters. Mistplay requires longer play sessions to accumulate meaningful rewards across multiple games. Solitaire Cash sessions are shorter, but each one requires focus because a single match determines your outcome. Cash stability is another factor. Mistplay points accumulate without risk of loss. Solitaire Cash balances can go up or down depending on match results, which makes it more volatile. Quick summary: Mistplay pays through steady game grinding with no risk. Solitaire Cash pays through competitive tournaments with higher risk and higher potential reward per match. If you want predictable, low-effort earning through gameplay, Mistplay is safer. If you want competitive play with higher upside per win, Solitaire Cash has more potential. If this helped, like and subscribe for more comparison breakdowns like this.